Hey there, fellow adventurers! Today I'm taking you on an epic journey through California's must-see destinations. Buckle up because this state has it all, from sun-kissed beaches to towering mountains. Let's dive in. First stop, San Francisco. Walk the iconic Golden Gate Bridge, hop on a cable car, and don't forget to explore Alcatraz Island. There's a magic in the air here you'll feel instantly. Next, we head south to Big Sur. Imagine rugged cliffs, breathtaking ocean views, and the famous Bixby Creek Bridge. Perfect for road trips and Instagram-worthy shots. Down the coast we find Santa Monica. Relax on the beach, stroll along the pier, and maybe even catch a stunning sunset over the Pacific. Pure Californian bliss. Now let's venture inland to Yosemite National Park. This place is a natural wonderland. From the majestic El Capitan to the towering sequoias, it's a paradise for hikers and nature lovers. Speaking of nature, don't miss Lake Tahoe. Whether it's skiing in the winter or boating in the summer, this alpine lake offers year-round adventure. For a dose of history and entertainment, Los Angeles is a must. Walk the Hollywood Walk of Fame, visit Universal Studios, and soak in the glitz and glamour of Tinseltown. Heading further south, we arrive in San Diego. With its world-famous zoo, beautiful Balboa Park, and pristine beaches, this city has something for everyone. Let's not forget the wine country. Napa Valley is your go-to for vineyard tours, wine tastings, and gourmet dining. Cheers to that! For a unique experience, check out Joshua Tree National Park. The surreal desert landscapes and iconic Joshua trees create an otherworldly vibe. If you're into art and culture, Palm Springs is your spot. With its mid-century modern architecture and vibrant art scene, it's a desert oasis like no other. Up next, we have the majestic redwoods in Northern California. Walking among these ancient giants, you'll feel like you've stepped into another era. Finally, we can't talk about California without mentioning Disneyland. The happiest place on earth is perfect for families, couples, and the young at heart. So, there you have it. 12 epic destinations in California. Whether you're planning a road trip or just dreaming about your next adventure, this state is calling your name. Happy travels! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures.